Hold on. Pet owners, is your pet's food safe? Savage Pet is recalling specific lots of chicken-based pet food due to potential H5N1 bird flu contamination. According to the FDA, 66 84-ounce chicken boxes and 74 21-ounce chicken boxes with the lot code 11152026 are being recalled. The affected products were distributed in California, Colorado, New York, Pennsylvania, and Washington. This action follows a Colorado cat contracting and recovering from H5N1 after consuming the food. Initial tests showed non-negative results for H5N1. Retailers have been notified to remove the product. Consumers are urged to return the recalled pet food to retailers for a full refund. If your pet is showing flu-like symptoms, consult a veterinarian immediately. Did you know? Bird flu viruses don't normally infect humans. However, sporadic human infections have occurred. State Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Comment your opinion. Follow us for more updates. Could you hit the like button?